All of their eyes are open. Some more than others. Mm. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Blinking at the light. Oh. Probably very confused. Turn that off. You can't see without the light, but it's blinding these poor little guys. They're still in their box. They're so big, I gotta pull back. And my camera does not want to focus inside the box with, oh, look at those eyes. I told you Julius would be the first. I think that's tall, though. Julius was the biggest. I'm mixing y'all up. Oh, look at this cute little kitten. Oh, I'm sorry it's so bright. Oh, look at that paw. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Oh my God. Oh my God, that paw. Okay, I'm having it. Oh my goodness. Y'all are too cute. I'm having attacks. Oh, you little twins. Okay, let's figure this out. Because one has a lot of white on their nose and face and the other doesn't. So I think I've been mixing them up. The one with the mostly white on the nose and around the mouth and whiskers is tall, I think. And the one with fully open eyes and wandering, oh, okay, here I can tell you. Well, hold on.